This is 2D text or 2D shape line or 2D element. Both text option you can see in sublines and standard primitives. Now right now I'm placing the front viewport. It is named as max text. First you place it, it will call as name text. Now I want to change the name. Right now my name is Vasimullah. I want to type Vasimullah in text option. Here type Vasimullah. Now it is 2D text. How to make 3D in standard primitives I have told you. Now I am to tell you in sublines. After sublines, placing the sublines tool. Now I'm making extrude. Now to make it extrude, go to the modifier list. Now here you can see to the second option, you can see the extrude command. Modifier list, you can see it. Just apply from here, select extrude option, extrude modifier. To the addition second mark, select the you can see the modifier list, and then apply extrude modifier. Now it's 2D. Now it is 3D. You can see it. Now I'm rotating it. You can check it out. Now it's 3D. I have given the depth. Before it was 2D spline or 2D shape or 2D element. Now if you want to make it again 2D spline, 2D element or 2D shape, just delete the modifier which is extrude. Right now I have deleted the modifier which is extrude. If you want to make it again 3D, just apply and modify and come to the modifier list near to the addition and apply modifier extrude. Now this is helix curve line where you want to place. First drag it in the perspective viewport and just play it and just make it where you want to place it, either to the top one, either to the top side, either to the down side. Just come to the perspective viewport and just drag it in the viewport and then place it to the upside. Now it is a curved line. You can see it in the left viewport, top viewport you can see it circle. In front viewport you can see the curved line which is coming from the top to the down, and down to the top you can see it. I'm placing the line. Now this is curved line here, helix. Now to make it extrude, right now it is 2D spline, but I have given the height and the thickness. Now I have to give the depth in width. What I have to do, just go to the edit poly option. I have to add extra element. Just select the polygons, all the polygons, and make it extrude. Select that extra polygon, extrude it. To the front side. Now it is 3D, but still the hole is there. You can see to the back side there is hole. How to fill the hole? When the border option, the cap hole doesn't work, what you should do now, right now I'm telling you the in border, if the cap doesn't work, it disturb the element shape or the, you can see it the line, you can see the helix. You can disturb the helix, the whole element, that whole shape. Right now, just delete the cap and undo it, and just select the two edges which is to the top side or to the left or right side. Either check it both of the ways, either the right ways or the left way. Select both of the edges. If it still disturb the polygon, just select the top edges, top and bottom edges, and apply bridge command. Now this is egg. Same, you can see in the morning you are eating in the breakfast. It is a 2D shape line or 2D shape or 2D element. How to make it 3D? Just apply in modifier list to near to the duration option. Second option, just apply extrude modifier list. As you can see in the top viewport, in the top side. Now it is 2D shape now 3D shape. How to make it as X? You can see it is a its edges are very, I mean, smooth. How to make it? Now it is sharp. Come to the text or egg option. Parameters, interpolation, polation. Just increase its steps to make it smooth. It's the edges are called as shapes, and the edges are called as lines, and edges and segments. Now to make it the edges or the smooth segment smooth or the line smooth. As you can see, it is too smooth in real. If you want to make it sharp, just decrease its segments or the lines or the edges.